Active shooter expert Phil Ball here, and today we're unboxing the Tactical Stun Flashlight. That's how we can activate the arc. Okay, let's unbox the Tactical Stun Flashlight. Now I want you to know that this is our best-selling flashlight stun gun with no returns. We haven't had one sent back. Okay. The manufacturer's name is Jolt, as you can see there. It's a good everyday flashlight with a concealed stun gun. See these little barbs here? That's where the arc happens. See there? And over here on the other side. Okay, now the flashlight part has 3 modes. There's first time you turn it on is high. You turn it back off. Second time you turn it on is low. Now high is 200 lumens. The low setting, or the second time you turn it on, is 160 lumens. And then the third time you turn it on, it's going to strobe. 3 functions. All right, and speaking of 3, it has 3-level activation safety that helps prevent, there's safeguards to prevent accidental discharges. It's made of a military-grade aluminum alloy for a shock-proof exterior. And also the body has an anti-roll head on it. So it won't, hear that? It's got these levels, you know, it looks like a big, nut you would put on a bolt. That stops it from rolling. Okay, so we've showed you the flashlight function. Now to show you the arc function, how do you enable that is there's a switch here, you see? We can turn that on. And then we have this round button here. That's how we can activate the arc. Nice. So imagine if you had this on strobe, that would deter somebody. But then also, if they ignore the strobe and they get close, then that would help them decide to go elsewhere. Also, let me turn that off so I don't accidentally zap myself. It's rechargeable, so you don't have to worry about buying expensive batteries. You know, you have a charging port right there, and then it comes with this plug. You can plug it in, a regular outlet, plug her up. And also it has a really nice belt clip here, a good heavy-duty belt clip. So you can clip it on your belt or your purse or whatever, but it can be hands-free that you can carry it. But there's good aluminum. This is a military-grade aluminum alloy. It's really good, really durable. You know, you could use this for all kinds of things, all kinds of ways you could defend yourself. Now, let's take a quick look at the directions here in the box. Of course, it has the nomenclature or the diagram here. You can go over all that. I already showed you all the parts. Tells you about charging. Charges in about 6 to 8 hours. LED flashlight. Stun, we've showed you the stun function. And it shows you and how to use the stun function in self-defense. There's a little chart here, and I want to point out to you, I've blown this chart up a little bit so you can see it a little better, is it tells you these are some of the most effective areas on your adversary that you could use it on. The upper shoulder, the below the rib cage, and then the upper hip. And what we see here, we know that energy weapons are most effective on large muscle groups. So these are areas where you would find large muscle groups. You know, if you're going to mount a defense, you want it to be an effective one. It tells you the effects here, depending upon the contact times, 1 to 2 seconds, 3 to 5 seconds, and what the effects can be on your adversary. The warranty is a lifetime warranty. Now, it's hard these days to find anything that's got a warranty, much less a lifetime warranty. So that shows you how much they believe in this product. And the notice says, remember, we want you to abide by all local laws in your possession and use of this. Also, how to obtain service down there. So there you go. You've got the Tactical Stun Flashlight. Excellent product for personal safety, whether you just need a good flashlight, and it also is a good covert stun gun, just in case. Now, if you're interested in the Tactical Stun Flashlight, or any of the hundreds of personal safety products at the Home Security Superstore, just click the link in the description below. This is Philip Ball reminding you to think tactically and stay safe. And victory favors the well-trained warrior.